The Embassy of the Philippines here in Kuala Lumpur has released a formal statement regarding slow issuance of travel documents to Filipinos detained in immigration depot in Sabah. And recall that the same issue became viral after the Malaysian humanitarian organization MHO criticized the Embassy of the Philippines for allegedly not paying attention to the Filipinos who have been imprisoned in the detention center. Based on a statement sent by the embassy to SMNI News Malaysia, it said that they had directly contacted with MHO. They also said that they are processing all the implications they received during the issue of travel documents for Filipinos at immigration detention centers in Sabah, contrary to what MHO says. They added that there is a raw, proper process to follow the COVID-19 health and safety protocols implemented in the transfer of Filipinos from the immigration detention center in Sabah to Zamboanga. In addition, the Philippine Embassy also said they are contacted the Philippine government agencies regarding the same issue to ensure the safe and efficient deportation of Filipinos back to the Philippines. According to the MHO, they understand that the COVID-19 pandemic is one of the reasons why returning Filipinos from Sabah was delayed. But they said the embassy must take an alternative way because many Filipinos in prison are already experiencing hunger and diseases.
We are talking more on the humanity. If the compliance require more than 2 months or more than 1 year, maybe the embassy need to find a way to find another solution, another way to reduce the number of months. We cannot rely on the current compliance because we need to understand the people are inside. People are inside the deportation center, their deport center. They are suffering. We need to accept the fact they are suffering. They've been infected by disease, the problem with foods, the problem with healthcare. So, by answering, there's a compliance for us not sufficient enough.
They insisted that the embassy needed to work a deeper way, just like the special flight from Kota Kinabalu to Manila. They also request again to have a consulate in Sabah so that they can immediately issue a travel document to the Filipinos there.
We need to find a solution because COVID-19 is not a case, 1-2 month case. It already prolonged for 2 years. So, if the issue is the port or the ferry issue between Sandakan to Zamboanga, probably embassy need to find a logistic consultant to find another alternative way. Probably, maybe they must create another route plan. For example, using a flight from Kota Kinabalu, send them to Manila. But of course, there are some people who not afford to use a flight, but they also have people who afford. So we cannot rely on one way only, which is from Sandakan to Zamboanga. Find alternative way. Probably by using a flight.
However, MHO believes that the Embassy of the Philippines has other action and alternative solutions on the said issue.